Hi and welcome back. In the first part of this video, we talked about the Quantum Force 3980 value to branch offices. Now let's go ahead with the onboarding of the appliance we unboxed. To initialize the first-time wizard, you would need the Type-C cable provided and a computer. Before you connect anything, make sure you have the correct driver installed. If you don't have it, look for the 3980 driver in support.checkpoint.com. Once downloaded, right-click the INF file and install it. In case you went ahead without installing the driver first, you will have the option to do it during the installation process, so just look out for it. In addition, we recommend connecting your computer to the management port of the gateway using the RJ45 cable provided, so you will be able to immediately access the web UI when the first-time wizard has run its course. Note that you can also run the installation process if you scan the QR code that is attached to the device and use your smartphone to start the process. Connect your gateway to the power and your computer to the gateway. It is preferable to use Chrome, but any browser would do. So open your browser and go to welcome.checkpoint.com. Choose the relevant model of the appliance, which in our case is the 3980. For any additional information before starting the process, please review the documentation section on the right side of the screen. We can start the first-time wizard now, so click the Start Here button and click the On-Premises option. If you haven't yet installed the driver, go ahead and do it here. Click on Connect and choose the serial port your Type-C cable is connected to, and then press Connect again. In a few seconds, the device configuration will begin. Start by choosing Single Security Gateway or Cluster Member. Fill in the administrator password and click Next. In the Network Settings section on the left side, we need to configure the firewall's interfaces, including its management interface. Once done, add the default gateway for this firewall. DNS and proxy servers are optional. By the way, this information can always be changed or added later via the web UI. Click Next to the Configuration section. In the Configuration section, fill in the SIG password that will be used to connect this gateway to its management server for the first time. Choose the device time settings, primary and secondary NTP servers, and click Next. You will get a summary of all your choices. Review the configuration and make sure it's correct. If you spotted a mistake, go back and change it as needed. After reviewing the settings, there are a few options you can choose for general system behavior and click on Finish to complete. After the first-time wizard completes the initial setup process, the appliance will reboot automatically. This will take a few minutes, and when it's done, you will get a prompt message saying your device is ready, and you can click on the Open Gaia Portal button to see the web UI. To access the web UI, use admin as username and the password you configured in the first step of the first-time wizard. Your Quantum Force is now ready, and you can go ahead and connect it for the first time to your management server. For any questions, feel free to contact us on the Checkmates community portal and follow our new releases on TechPoint Central, our YouTube channel.